And good morning, Selena. Good morning out there. Let's take a look at that forecast now. Rain chances, they've already arrived, and the rain chance is going to be here all day long. It does look like the most consistent, steadiest of that rain starting to move in right now. It'll last through about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. After that, I do think we'll see some breaks in the rain for the next couple of hours and then some strong storms. So we'll watch that. It's 38 now. It is raining outside. The wind's out of the east at 6 miles an hour, and our dew point is at 37. Remember what we said all morning long, our dew point's going to catch up to our temperature. We're starting to see that happen, and notice what's going on. We're starting to see that fog developing out there. That's expected as warmer air moves in. Some of the thickest fog you'll ever see coming in from the south as this type of setup is there. We talked a little bit about that yesterday as well. So temperatures this morning, it's 38 in Pittsburgh, Butler 38 degrees. You'll notice it's already in the 40s in places along and south of I-70. That's because we do have warmer air that's going to be moving in from the southwest, at least over the course of the morning hour. 62, your expected high today. Likely won't see that 62 until about 6 or 7 o'clock, and we'll hover around 61 or 62 degrees for the rest of the night up until a front slides through. So overall, let's take a look at your forecast, and we do have some concerns out there, really 2 of those. Flooding risk is going to be there with us once again, expecting to see right at or even more than an inch of rain. And then as we head into the overnight hours, as that front or the line of storms develops, we'll be looking at some strong wind as well coming in. That's also going to be in a moderate threat for the day today. Let's talk about your projected rain totals. Look at these numbers coming in. They have just been going up all morning long. We are looking at, look at the Columbus area now, 3.2 inches is what model data is showing, and that's just through tomorrow afternoon. The Pittsburgh area right at about 1.5 inches or so of rain that's going to be expected to come through. Lots of rain and then those stormy conditions tonight. So first comes the rain. Here comes that steady rain now moving in from the west. You can see just kind of a huge area of rain, a cluster of rain showers and storms that continues to move our way and will clear our area. That's the steady rain that we're talking about. That'll be here through about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Now after that, spotty showers will set up for the evening hours, and then right at midnight, here comes that line of strong storms. Notice the time, right at midnight there, including some strong wind speeds that will be possible. Our actual cold front actually doesn't come through until about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You'll notice the temperature difference right at 60 degrees ahead of it. Behind that system will be into the 40s, and by the afternoon hours, we'll actually have a chance for some snow tomorrow with that system coming in. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. 62 your high today. Remember, it stays warm until the cold front gets here at 6 o'clock on Wednesday morning. So 59 your Wednesday high. We'll keep Thursday dry, but another rain and snow chance will be there on Friday.